Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacy, and in today's video I have another great Walmart haul. We have quite a few things to cover today. I have a couple dresses, shorts, a purse, a cardigan, some shoes, so let's get started. To make everything easy for you guys, I'm going to put everything in numeric order. So we'll start out with number 1. If you like that particular item, jot down the number you like. Scroll down to the description, find the number you like, number 1, number 2, or number 3. Click on that link. It's going to take you directly to Walmart's website with that particular item. So without further ado, let's start out with number 1. And that's this dress right here from the Get line from Walmart. This is the first time I've ordered from the Get line. I think the name's kind of funny, the Get, like, oh, I guess I gotta get it. But this is a cute blue baby doll dress. I paid $29 for this dress. It's also available in a mustard color. Let me come in close so you guys can see the material. It is a linen material. It has 4 buttons right on the front over here with a nice little pointy collar. It is a short sleeve with a cuffed sleeve right here. This doesn't roll down or anything like that, but it is a short sleeve dress. It also has a self-tie belt as well. Let me bring that in closer one more time so you guys can get a good view of that. I did order this in a size medium. Let's try this on and see what it looks like. This is a really cute dress, guys. I like the 2 functioning pockets. It's a nice linen material, so it's light. It sits just above the knee, so it's not too short. It's short sleeve. It is a relaxed fit, so I would recommend sizing down. Now it comes with this self-tie belt, which I think is really cute. Throw on a pair of sneakers and you are good to go. But I'm going to change this up a little bit. So to give myself a little bit more shape, I need a belt that is a little bit more substantial. So I actually ordered this belt from Amazon. I will link this directly underneath this dress. I paid about $15 for this. So let's try this on and see what this looks like. Guys, let me know what you think. I think this came out great. All I did was change out the belt. I added these wedged heel shoes, which I'll talk about at the end of this video, but totally transformed the look. I just like how this belt looks. It just gives my waist more definition. Let me give you the full turn and everything. And not bad. The belt was only $15. I will link it below underneath this dress, but you can throw this on with a pair of sneakers or just easily dress it up just by changing the shoes out. Okay, now on to outfit number 2, which is dress number 2 right here. This is from the No Boundaries line, which is in the junior department. I'd highly recommend sizing up. I went to a size large just to make sure this was roomy enough. I ordered this in a light blue. It's also available in black, red, and brown, and paid only $12.98 for this dress. It is a long sleeved ruched front, so it's buttons all the way down the front, and it is a very soft material. Let me bring this in closer so you guys can get a better look. You have buttons going all the way down the dress. It is a very, very soft material. Pointy collar. I cannot get over how soft the material for this dress is. It is such a very soft dress, but no, very cute, sweet dress. I like the ruching going all the way down. Let me back up so you can see a whole view. It sits just above the knee, so it's not too short, but overall, a very cute dress. You could definitely throw on a pair of sneakers and you are good to go. And for less than $13, you can't beat that price. Walmart, you have done it again. So now on to item number 3, which is this Time and True long sleeve. I ordered it in a bleach wash. It comes in other different colors as well. I paid $16.98 for this shirt. Another very soft material, kind of like a chambray material. Let me bring that in close for you guys. It is a button down. You do have the option to roll up the sleeves with a nice little button here, which is really nice, so that way your sleeves stay intact and everything. But I thought pairing this with a pair of white jeans would just be perfect for spring, perfect for summer, still long sleeve, definitely light enough though, so if you're located like me in South Florida, it's still going to keep you cool, but I really liked this color. Now I'm actually going to do something different. I'm going to pair this with item number 4. Let me grab that real quick. Number 4 is also from the No Boundaries line. I did order this in a size medium. Remember, No Boundaries is in the juniors department, so you definitely want to size up. But this is a 2-piece set. So it comes with this cute little off-the-shoulder smocked crop top. Let me bring that in close so you guys can see that material right over there. But I ordered this in a black. It has a floral overall print design. It is available in other colors as well, and I paid $17.98 for this set. It comes with these pants that I just thought, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I can't wait to try these on. And they're a light flowy pant, a light flowy pant that actually has a slit going down, and it's sewn together, which I thought was really nice. So let me bring that in close for you guys. But yeah, it's all sewn together right there, so you don't have to worry about the wrap coming apart. It does have the elastic waist and a very wide leg. I can't wait to try these on. I'm going to pair it with that top because for me personally, I'm not a big fan of wearing things off the shoulder. So I thought, you know what, let's do a little mix match here, see what this looks like, and we'll be right back. I think this is my favorite outfit so far in this haul. I really like these pants. I have to say everything in this haul, with the exception of dress number 1, which was a linen material, everything else has been really soft. So very nice just to have that soft material. But I like how these pants just kind of open up. This is perfect for the beach, perfect for the pool, walking around this resort and whatnot, but it's sewn so you don't have to worry about it coming open too much or anything like that. It is a 2-piece set. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of wearing things off the shoulder, so I just threw on this Time and True top, just gave it a little tie here. I think it looks really cute all together. Again, let me know what you guys think, but I definitely like this one. Would recommend this one as well. So, all right, now on for number, what number are we on? I can't remember. Let's see here. All right, number 5 is this Time and True cardigan, and it is actually a rollback. So it is on sale for $9. It does come in other colors as well. Let me bring in close so you guys can get an idea of the material. It has buttons going down the front. Let's see here. Buttons going all the way down the front. It's more like a ribbed texture. And it is a lightweight cardigan, something great for spring and summer, so it's not going to keep you too warm, but if you get a little bit cold, something great to slip right on. I think it's cute and stylish. I'm actually pairing it with number 6, which is a pair of these Time and True shorts. I had talked about these shorts in a previous video. I will link that video below. I actually had ordered these in a white, and I ordered these in a pink. The white came in first. I ordered these in a size 4. I would recommend downsizing. When I wore my white shorts the other day. Now I wore them all day out shopping, came home later on that evening. My husband and I like to ride our bikes in the evening, and yeah, they were very loose by the end of the day, very baggy. So I would recommend, you know, sizing down. I did order these in a size 4, so I'll return these and get them in a size 2. But I'm going to pair this cardigan with these shorts. Let's see what it looks like. I think this is one of my favorite Walmart hauls thus far. I really like this outfit. It looks so cute together. These shorts with the little cardigan. I threw on the same wedges, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Paired it with this cute little bag. Again, I'll talk about that in just a minute, but overall, I think not bad. It looks very cute for spring and definitely for summer. Definitely now for South Florida. I mean, it's 90 degrees outside right now, but yeah, I really like how this looks. I like the light colors and everything. Again, leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. So now let's discuss, number 7, which is actually the shoes that I'm wearing. So hold on one second. Let me slip these off real quick right here. All right, number 7 is these Time and True wedged platform shoes, sandal shoes. Very cute. I paid $19.98 for these shoes. Now I wear a size 9 in sandals, size 9 in heels. I do wear a size 8.5 in sneakers, so if that helps, gives you some reference. I would say stay true to your heel or sandal size. But let me bring these in close. It has a nice little memory foam footbed. A little bit of a platform. It is kind of like a straw material over here. Overall, this is soft. I would say it has a little bit of a wider opening, which is really great, gives your feet some room. So if you like that slightly wider opening, I definitely recommend these. It is a Velcro closure, which I thought was quite interesting. I actually find it kind of nice. So, I was a little torn at first going, I don't know, but it seems very nice to just slip on and slip off. Once I had it set, I've been literally slipping these on and slipping them off when changing outfits. It has the little triangular, let's see if you can see that little closure right over here. Bring that in closer one more time. It does have the rubber sole. The weight for it, I would say, it has a little bit of a weight to it, but it's not too heavy at all. It's not a pair of shoes where you're like, oh, I can definitely feel shoes on. So they're light with yet a little bit of weight. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, check these guys out. Like I said, these are number 7. And for number 8 is this cute. This is the first time I've ordered a handbag from Walmart. It was $19.99. I really like this bag. This bag is so cute. So guys, when I order things from Walmart.com, things come in, they're placed right in front of my office. And I kind of have a little bench right in front of my office. So I usually open things up, lay it out. And as I'm doing my work throughout the day, I'm always like, oh, I can't wait to do my next video to show you guys everything that I got. But this was sitting on top of the cardigan because I had already planned out the outfits. And my 19-year-old walked by and she's like, oh, what's that? What's that over there? Both the girls wanted out. Oh, we have 3 girls. Our youngest is 19, but my 20-year-old had her eye on this bag, and I was like, get off my bag. So, but yeah, this is number 8. This is from the C Wonder or C. Wonder line. It's like a quilted faux leather. It has like a vegan leather strap with a little gold chain. What I was impressed with is, listen, opens very nicely. Now I have a Kate Spade wallet and I love the zipper on my wallet. I've had that wallet for a few years now and I love it. To me, it feels like quality when something opens very seamlessly like that. So, but it's cute with the cute little quilted material. Like I said, the zipper is just a nice smooth zipper. You have a little pouch inside as well. Open that up so you can put little things in there. Here's the inside. It is a good size to hold all your keys, your wallet, your phone. You also have a zipper in the back for another little pouch. Let me bring this in closer so you guys can get a good look of that material. Overall, it is a very cute bag. Definitely impressed for $19.99, so I believe it was on sale. Hopefully it will stay that way. I will link this below as number 8, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye!